Diamonds and Pearls. I'm Kim. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, first things first, girl, come on in and get comfortable. Make yourself at home. If you've been coming through showing love, then girl, you already know what to do. But either way, girl, get yourself relaxed because we're going to play in some makeup today. Okay, the first product is their foundation stick, and the shade that I got is Bronze Glow. Next, I have their True Complexion HD Corrector, and this is in medium to dark. Then I have their loose setting powder in Banana. I'm also using their contour palette, and of course I've used it before, but I just decided to use it for the sake of the video and me using other Black Radiance products, so I did decide to use this also. Then I use their Full Effect Mascara and their Brilliant Effect Lip Gloss. The Juvia's Place palette that I decided to use is their Nubian 2. This is what it looks like. And in case y'all are nosy like me and y'all were wondering about my hair, this is actually a wig, and this is Model Dream. I just took my hair down from the ponytail that I did a couple videos ago, but I hadn't washed it yet, and I really want to do this video, so I just pulled this on my hair real quick. But anyway, girl, wait right there. Hold up. Wait. Before y'all leave, I do need y'all to leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up, share with 2 of your friends, and subscribe so you can see more. Okay, girl, you done? All right, cool. All right, Diamonds and Pearls, let's get started. product. The foundation I don't really like. I don't like the coverage, and initially when I put it on, the colors scared me. I was legit scared. Like, the concealer is a hard pass for me. I don't like the coverage. I had to go in with 2 layers, and it just didn't really do anything for me. Also, when I was blending it out with my sponge, it was moving around. So this is a no. The setting powder now, it's not bad at all. I like it. It wiped off easy. It didn't get all cakey under my eyes. So I like the setting powder. The mascara was just okay. It's not the bomb. I applied several layers and it looks okay, but as far as drugstore mascara, I prefer ColourPop. Now the gloss I like, and I actually found this at Target on clearance for like 57 cents. I really like the gloss. And as far as the palette, I like the palette a lot. The only thing that I don't like is that it has a lot of fallout. And it didn't have a mirror. It had so much fallout to the point where I had to remove the foundation that I had already put on and reapply. So it has a lot of fallout. But the color payoff is great, and they blend really great also. Alright y'all, we have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.